Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the network basics. Check that Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and above a weak threshold. Switch networks if necessary. Restart your phone and, importantly, the router. Power off for 30 seconds. Then update Capcut and the device OS so you eliminate version mismatches and clear Capcut's cache to remove corrupted temp files. These steps stop simple causes quickly, so once done you avoid wasting time on deep troubleshooting later. Next, you adjust settings that commonly block Capcut. Allow background data and remove any data saver restrictions so uploads and downloads aren't throttled. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to speed domain lookup since slow DNS can trigger network errors. If you use a VPN, proxy, or custom firewall rules, disable them briefly to test whether they're the cause. These services can interrupt Capcut's connection. Finally, if problems persist, reinstall Capcut, but export or backup projects first so nothing is lost. Log in with a different account or try another device to see whether the issue is account-specific or device-specific. If you still see network errors, gather details, device model, OS and app version, exact error message, and screenshots, then contact support. Troubleshooting tip. If uploads fail repeatedly, switching to mobile data for one attempt often clears cached route problems. Try that before a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.